In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Grammit. Grammit uses AI to check your grammar and spelling and to catch a range of other mistakes that regular grammar checkers wouldn't pick up. You can find Grammit by following the link in the video description. Once you've installed it, you can customize it to suit your needs. Grammit also supports multiple languages. Now let's take it for a spin. This is how you can tell that Grammit is active. The icon shows the number of recommended changes for the current page. Clicking the icon opens a small pop-up. Here I can choose to approve or dismiss all of the suggested changes with one click. Or I can handle each one individually, either inside the pop-up or inside the text itself. Grammit AI can also help me to rephrase my writing. Now let's try using Grammit to write an email for a snippet in TextBlaze. The fastest way to call up Grammit is to type the shortcut. You can do this in any text field in your browser. By the way, Grammit does not store your work and does not use it for training AI models. So if you're looking for an AI tool to help you with your grammar and spelling, but you're privacy conscious, try Grammit.